Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to go through a quick video showing you how to actually add end cards to your YouTube videos, cards to the top corner over here, and chapter markings. So let's get into it. You're in YouTube Studio. You're in the dashboard at this point, so you come over to here to your content or to the videos. You pick the video that you're actually wanting to add the end cards to. So you click here on end cards, and then they've got little templates here so you can decide what you want to put down. So as to what it's going to look like. I like this one. It shows a video. In this case, it's picking the best for the viewer is the one that I've selected. You can change it to your most recent upload, or you can choose a specific video. I like to keep it as the best for the viewer. Then it's got a spot for a playlist. Now this is a Shed Wars video, so I'm going to put the Shed Wars playlist there. I'll actually leave that up in the corner over here too, so you can go check it out if you want. And then it's got a subscribe button over here. So that's how you add an end screen to your YouTube videos. So we'll click save on that. Okay, so that was how to do your end screen. Next, we're going to look at cards. So I've actually gone through and taken the timestamp as to where I want to put these cards, and I've got them over here on my other screen, so I can just take them out, and I'm going to put the timestamp in there, and that's going to put where I actually want to go. So I'm going to want to add a playlist in this one, and the playlist I want is the Shed Wars playlist, and I will annotate that quickly. Oh, no, I'll leave that on here. So the first thing it asks you to do is actually put a custom message if you want to. Otherwise, it's just got suggested Shed Wars 21. So Shed Wars is a competition between gardeners in the southern it was just the northern hemisphere last year. This year, it's starting in the southern hemisphere. So I get to be a part of that. It's a really fun community. So it's a fun group of people growing stuff together and sharing hints and tips. So that comes up when you click on here, and it tells you that's what your custom message is. You don't need to put a custom message in, you can just leave that blank. So a teaser text is when you type it in there. So you type it in the section here where it says the teaser text, and it comes up here in your card. So we'll put the next one in. So I'm just copying and pasting the timestamp from a file that I've got open. So I'm going to add a video on at this point. So this is actually a video that I made many years ago, back in 2015. It's not when my aquaponics journey started, because that was back in like 2012 or before. Actually, I don't know when it was. But this was our system at Dampier Avenue in Eagleby. So that's when we lived on a 600 square metre block. And I got that too long. There we go, that'll do. So that's an interesting little one. Now the next card I'm actually going to add is actually a card for a playlist. So I'm going to card there, channel, sorry. So I'm going to put a channel in there, and this one is actually my son's channel. So I'm going to put that channel there. And there's the one custom message and the teaser message. So next we're going to put in another video. Certainly makes it a lot easier having it all sorted out so that I can just copy and paste them to show you guys. Hopefully this works. Yay! So this is a video from the last property that we were living at. So that's at Eagleby Road. Yeah, I don't know why I think it's spelled wrong, but that's okay. No, it's too long. And we had 3.5 acres there. Not that we were using it all. Like the aquaponics system was quite small, really. But it's a lot bigger than what we have at the moment because we just haven't finished putting together the system. But this video is about technology, not about aquaponics. So, and here I'm going to put in a playlist. Now, it actually comes up with the playlists here, so that works. Okay, so now we'll add the description, the custom message onto this one, and the teaser text onto this one, and then we're basically all done. I think that's actually the maximum, that is the maximum number of cards you can put in a video, as you can tell by the fact that this is no longer blue and that's no longer blue, so it means you can't add any more. So this video contains only 5 cards. So then you hit save on that one, and it adds all those lovely cards to your video. And the next thing we can add in are chapter markings. Now I've gone through and gotten all the chapter markings that I want. So basically, while I was in the card section, I actually played it along and found all the spots and the time markings. So I copied and pasted those to another file. So we'll just leave that. So I'm going to pop in the chapters here and I'll show you the important parts of them. So the first thing, when you start with the chapters, so I'm just going to copy them all over here. So the chapters start with the timestamp, and you just use the hours and then the minutes and the seconds into the video. Or if you've got hours as well, then you put that in. I spelled aquaponics wrong. So you've got to start with 0:00, and that one's your intro. And then you just put the timestamp and then whatever it is that that section is talking about. And that's basically it. That's basically it. So I've got those chapters in there. So I'm going to change this so that it is now a public video. And then click done because I've already put my custom thumbnail on there. I can show you that in another video. So then we click save. And then we can have a look at what this looks like in YouTube. Good. Let's pause that so you don't have me talking over the top of you in 2 directions. Now you can, so down here, you can see that these spots are actually showing as links. So you're in this section of the video at the moment. So you can click on this section to see what the card looks like when Matthew's card comes up. So, and then sometimes when you're watching videos, you'll see little lines in the as it's playing along. You can't see them at the moment for some reason. So there's the M card, as well that we added to it. And then you can look at all these cards on the side as they come up during the video. So yeah, so that is how to add an end card, add cards, and add on your chapter markings. So yeah, I hope you found that helpful. And if you want to have a look at this video, I'll leave a link. And you have a great day. Bless you.